MMTs, if my calculations, $1.75 per quarter line in the SMF pricing control mechanism. We can see that big 60-minute down move. That was that opening bell. We spiked right up. That's called left elbow gap down. Walk the dog right up and slide that bid right here at half bar. It's gone straight down. This bar off of the bottom, because we just hit 607.77 on a 60-minute handle, is trying to show a positive. And we have exactly 8 minutes before the markets close. As we move on to Apple Computer MMTs, what a nice day it was. And it's had a haircut. And remember, all of these equities were long overdue. Okay? And the thing about it is the bull's going to try to figure out, well, where do I buy to get, oh, I got to get in. See, you have people who chase performance. So the Middle East was a trigger, as we know. Okay? We already knew that was coming. Gave people a reason to take a profit today, because that's what it was about. And they always start with the headline event. But you can see here on that left elbow. So let me go into the brain and let's get it all tuned up here. Let's click on, let's say, 40 deltas and see what happens. So there it is. Look at that right there. That's that teeny line. Let's get the big brain out of the way. Take a look at the left elbow gap down to that teeny buy action right here. That meant in this bar, this big gap down bar, when it finally got down to that teeny line and we started to come up off of here violently, you can see the IR. You can see the IR in this 3-minute chart, and let's see if it's correct. Yeah, it is. It burned the clutch up, but it's gone down and made the lower lows just about on the trading day itself. Let's take a look and see where it is. Right now it's 338.59 by 338.63. The high was at 345. That low was 377.72 there. Now, that left elbow is where you buy as a SMF MMT market maker. You can see the spike in the IR on the opening bell. And when it pulled back, so what? It went torpedoing back up. That is the market maker platform in action right here. And everything has a meaning relative to weakness in price, price weakness, or price momentum, weakness in price, price momentum. Doesn't matter. It's a public tape. So wherever the public is that they got stop market orders taken all the way down. You can see here where the increase of the stop market orders were working here, because each one of these teeny lines are 62 pennies today. And he's torpedoing that way in price. So in the brain, when all your ratios were going toward 0.129 on the opening bell, you were selling off in that big 3-minute bar. Look at the teenies, but then look at where the buy action comes in as you were going through these live trades today. And right now, they're trying to cover down here at the bottom. So after today's selling is, does that bull want to come back in and own these names? It will happen tomorrow, but let us not forget, there's very little short interest at these support levels. That's why these teeny breakdowns are here that way. And the escalation of the teeny breakdown right here in price action is clearly defined. And it's defined by using the SMF platform and going with the directional price movement.